Welcome to Product Critique. And today we're featuring what we believe is the most essential interior upgrade you can make for your ride. The Plasticolor Honda Weatherpro 4-piece floor mat set in black. First off, these mats aren't just about aesthetics. They're built for real-world use. Whether it's rainy season grime, snowy boots, or sandy shoes from a beach trip, these mats are ready to handle it all. They're made from high-quality flexible rubber, which not only feels tough underfoot, but also molds effortlessly to your accord's floor contours. What sets them apart is the molded Honda logo right in the center, not printed, not painted, but actually molded into the mat. That means no fading, no peeling, just long-lasting brand presence that actually looks sharp. Plasticolor's Weatherpro mats come equipped with deep ribbed edges. These aren't just for looks, they're designed to trap everything from spilled coffee to melting snow. Dirt and debris stay contained, making cleanup as easy as a quick wipe or rinse. The set includes 2 front mats and 2 rear mats. The front ones measure about 27 inches tall by 17.5 inches wide, giving excellent coverage, while the rear ones are compact yet protective at 12.75 inches tall. Universal in fit, these mats are made to be trimmed if needed, so you can shape them to your specific floorboard for a near-custom fit. Installation is a breeze. In under 10 minutes, you can have a full set installed and ready to take on anything. The flexible PVC material makes the trimming process smooth, yet holds its structure once laid down. Whether you're commuting through monsoons, road tripping through dusty highways, or just doing the school drop-offs, the Weatherpro mats are built to protect the most vulnerable part of your car's interior. If you care about your car's interior, and let's face it, we all should, these mats are more than just a cosmetic addition. They're a practical, stylish, and reliable barrier between your shoes and your floor. That's our take on the Plasticolor Honda Weatherpro 4-piece floor mat set, a top-tier accessory for your 2006 Honda Accord. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on products that make life better, one upgrade at a time.